Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your 2023 Ram 2500? Wondering which fuse controls what in your truck? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Power Distribution Center Fuse Box. The 2023 Ram 2500 Power Distribution Center manages power flow to essential vehicle systems with high-capacity fuses and relays. It protects critical components like the engine, lighting, and towing systems for reliable performance. Conveniently located in the engine bay, it allows easy access for troubleshooting and maintenance. A detailed fuse diagram is included to simplify fuse identification and replacement.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.